So here's the solution to the challenge. I've reorganized the code, FYI. So we were at modularize. I stuck everything into composition. I changed the folder name, so that's going to screw you up probably. Just download, delete all the code you've downloaded, download a new zip file, or if you've, whatever, you got some other way to do it whatever other way. So the solution for that, here's the hands-on, which was to create mini years. So I'm just going to copy this folder here, which is the starting file. And I have to rename the challenge, the hands-on thing. I'm just going to put that into 9.9 so we have something to work with. And I need to have many of these. That's a type. If I want to have many ints, what kind of data structure do I store my ints in? A slice. Right? So I need many years. So I'm just going to do year 1. Duplicate. Let's duplicate all that code. This is year 2. Right? Year 1, year 2. And then I could just do years, colon equal a slice of year, and a slice literal, composite literal, y1, y2. Pass in years. So it takes a little bit of time to figure out how to work with data structures. And then over in my templates, no, just get rid of it. And over in my template, I need to range so I'm ranging over years. Every time I range over years, I get a year. That's what I was passing in before, so that should all work. If I wanted to, I could just put something here to show I'm done with that one. We are in 01199. Nothing different in the 2 years. But I could change that if I wanted. Isn't that cool?
Can you go back to the main.go file and just show us what you did again?
So this is how I create a year. So it was called Y, I think, before. I called it Y1.
But what about where you declare the year?
So up here?
Time year structure, that just stays exactly the same.
Stays the same. All I need is a couple of those, so I'm going to stick them in a slice. I have no idea. I totally understand why it's like, huh? Which data structure do I use? And until you've worked with data structures for a while. So take this. You need a bunch of things. You need a list of things. Array or slice. Right? In Go, we don't use arrays. We use slices. 99% of the time. Okay? They're just more performance, the way they made the language. So you need a list of stuff, stick it in a slice. You need key value pairings, stick it in a map. All right, look something up by key and get the value, stick it in a map. And you want to just put a whole bunch of different types together. An int, a string, a slice, a map, stick them all in a struct. A struct is a data structure, aggregate data structure for aggregating together a bunch of crap. Put it into one thing which you could then store. By crap, I mean different pieces of data, different types.